Steak with unlimited rice, gravy, and soup, tapos 200 plus pesos lang. Meron din silang mga boodle fight platters, baby back ribs. There's also chicken barbecue, pasta, at meron ding burgers. Lahat ng yan grilled to the doneness you prefer, properly seasoned, at abot kaya pa. Ngayon, hindi mo na kailangan mag-antay muna ng special occasion para lang makapag-steak. This is Steak to One, located sa may Don Ramon, San Fernando, Pampanga. Open daily from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Welcome to Steak to One!
Marami na silang branches all over North Luzon and even Manila, at ngayon dinala na rin nila dito sa Pampanga sa wakas. Ang ganda nitong place nila, very comfy, at meron din silang area na pwedeng ipa-reserve for private events and gatherings. Australian beef ang gamit nila dito. Kaya yung quality that you get, especially at a very affordable price, sobrang sulit. And again, unlimited rice, soup, and gravy pa. At kahit na kabubukas lang nila dito sa Pampanga, balita ko blockbuster daw talaga to pag dinner. Kaya eto, at tanghali kami nagpunta. Ayan, at kompleto na yung mga order natin. Ang babango ng mga to. So, tara! Kain na tayo. Mahilig kami sa gravy ni Mama, so humingi na agad kami ng marami bago kumain. At etong sa kanya ay yung grilled chicken na merong mushrooms on top. At ako, alam nyo naman, kahinaan natin ang steak, so etong ribeye yung in-order ko. Tapos imagine ha, yung T-bone steak nila 255 lang, porterhouse 265, at yung ribeye 275, unlimited rice pa. Tapos may burger steak pa yan, 165 lang. Kaya nga, 'di ba, kahit walang special occasion, kahit hindi ka bagong bonus, afford mo nang mag-steak dito. Nagsaserve din sila ng pares. Dalawang klase yan. Ito yung parang Manila style na pares with soup, at meron din silang sizzling pares. We also have their baby back ribs. This one medyo dry siya for my liking. Sinabi ko naman yung feedback ko sa kanila para ma-adjust nila next time. Pero the way it was seasoned at yung barbecue sauce, ang sarap. Sobrang winner din itong shrimp aglio olio. Very simple lang na olive oil, garlic, parmesan, pero tamang-tama yung lasa. Pagdating sa burger, you already know I have to get the triple patty. This has tomatoes, lettuce, and cheese, and the burger is so juicy and beefy and grilled to perfection. Kung hindi mo naman kaya yung triple patty, meron din silang single and double. Ito naman yung kanilang sizzling Hungarian sausage. You have an option kung spicy or cheese. Parang ang simple lang, pero ang sarap ng pagkakatimpla nito. And for our grand finale, meron tayo nitong boodle fight platter. Pwede dito hanggang 5 people, tapos 999 lang, unlimited rice na rin. Meron yung grilled T-bone and porterhouse steak, sausage, grilled liempo and pork steak, pork chop, at isang pitcher ng iced tea. Apart from this, meron silang mas malalaki pang platter. Merong pang 6 to 8 at 10 to 12 packs. Kaya kung mahilig ka rin sa steak tapos gusto mo yung affordable tapos unlimited rice, itry nyo na rin dito sa Steak to One.